In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. Bringing your schedule into Notion keeps your events, deadlines, and project notes in one place, so you can see the big picture without switching apps. First, head over to your Google Calendar. You'll want the shareable link for the calendar you plan to display. If you already have that link, great. Copy it now. If not, open your calendar settings and look for the share or integrate options. You should see a public URL or a shareable link you can copy. For team workspaces, make sure the link is viewable by the people who need it. Otherwise, Notion may show a permissions error or a blank box. Keep in mind that embedding is typically view-only, which is perfect for visibility, and you can always open events in Google Calendar to make edits when needed. Next, open the Notion page where you want the calendar to live. This could be a dashboard, a project hub, or any page you use for planning. Click into the page content area so your cursor is ready. Now type /embed. Notion will show a menu of options. Choose the embed option. This creates a placeholder block where you can bring in content from outside Notion. Paste the Google Calendar link into the embed field. Take a second to double check that you pasted the correct link, especially if you manage multiple calendars, because Notion will display whatever that link points to. When you're confident it's right, click Embed Link. Notion will load a live view of your Google Calendar directly on the page. After it appears, you can interact with the calendar just like you would in a browser window. Switch between week, month, or agenda views if those controls are available, and scroll through dates to see what's coming up. If something looks off, such as events not appearing, it's usually a link or permission issue. Go back to Google Calendar, confirm you used the correct calendar, and that the link is set to be viewable by your intended audience. Then try pasting the link again. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Calendar and copied the sharing link, opened your Notion page, typed /embed, selected embed, pasted the link, and clicked embed link. With your calendar now visible in Notion, your planning becomes more centralized, your deadlines are harder to miss, and your team can align around the same timeline. If you ever change calendars, just repeat the process with a new link. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more organized workspace.